Hi neighbors, Wendy Gunter with Big River Living, brokered by River Rats Realty. Today I have the pleasure of introducing you to one of our local small businesses. And at this time of the year, this guy is going to be your best friend and your most beloved tradesman. He is my air conditioning tech that I use and will always use, so I can recommend him highly from personal experience. It is Kevin Wilson. He's the owner-operator of Cold River Air Conditioning. Thank you so much for joining me today, Kevin. I really appreciate you taking time out of your schedule. You got to be crazy busy right now, I'm sure.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, when I first met you, you were still working at the casinos and you were doing side jobs. When did you officially open the doors for Cold River?
So, Cold River Air Conditioning, we officially started the business in 2021. In May 31st, it will be officially 2 years where I've been running the company and doing nothing else. So that's been feeding the family and taking care of the house all by itself there.
I love to hear that. Small business, your wife runs the office and administrative stuff, yeah?
Yeah. So my wife, Rebecca, she runs the office. She does all the scheduling, answers all the phones, and I'm the one who's out in the field doing the grunt work, keeping everybody happy and making sure everybody stays cool.
Beautiful. Staying out in this heat, you got to be tough for that. Do you do commercial as well as residential stuff?
Yes, ma'am. So we're a full service company. We do commercial and residential air conditioning as well as commercial refrigeration and ice machines. So
Beautiful.
We do maintenance, repairs, anything anybody could need.
Fantastic. And I can attest to his skill level and very affordable. That's a couple of things that I really love about Kevin. And a couple other things which I value is he always over delivers. From the very first time he came to work on our AC, he gave us more value than we were expecting, and that's huge. Another thing that he and I have talked about is that he likes to educate his clients, because that actually makes his job easier. And along that line, what would you say a client could do, a customer could do that would actually maintain the health of their AC?
So aside from giving a company like mine a call once or twice a year to get a good maintenance done on your system and having both your indoor and outdoor coils cleaned or your evaporator and condenser coil cleaned, what you want to do is you want to keep your filters clean. Whether they're washable filters or filters you got to change out, whether you're a renter, a homeowner, if you're just a buddy in an apartment with somebody, keep the filters clean. That's the best thing you can do for your air conditioning system and the best thing you can do for your electric bill in the summer. You don't need to worry about doing a real high dollar hypoallergenic filter unless allergies is an issue for you. Just a middle line pleated filter that you're changing out once every 30 days. You could go a little bit longer in the winter, but keeping that filter clean is the best thing you can do for your system.
That's amazing to know, because I did not know that. I've heard that, but to hear you say it makes it all the different. All right, well, thank you again for spending time with us, and I will drop Kevin's information in the video description. And definitely, if you're looking for somebody you can count on, reach out to Kevin at Cold River Air Conditioning.